Hey, people of Ghana, you're welcome to the TS show. My name is Sesimen. I'll be holding you down here on the SJ Click TV. But as I always do, remember 35-45. Get out there and get yourself counted. With that much, I welcome you, one of the brightest, vibrant, young, phenomenal character, musician coming out of Ghana. Yhaw Hero. Yhaw Hero, welcome to the Sesame Show.
Bless.
Maybe I will call.
I'm happy. Everything nice. You could tell me. I mean everything good.
Oh, yeah, I did give you.
Sure.
I did give you.
Yes.
So what's up?
We day inside. Just day inside. The music thing up and down.
Okay, so why say your year on each day inside?
Nah, easy. Then I don't make if people they search Yhaw Hero will be different from because every year most of the year will be it be common. Yeah. I don't make it stand out in some way. That way
So you want for unique.
yeah, but I don't make the name stand out.
Yeah, out of the crowd.
Wow.
Nice one. The streets call you Ghetto Hero. Why?
Of course, I will get to you. Listen my sounds, you will see the name way they just no be name. But if you listen my sounds, you will see the name, then the boy, then the music they do, they connect. You see. Yeah, so we get to you.
So they still feel you.
Oh, yeah. We dey inside. You know they slow down. So you go them know what they do. That's why they call me the
Nice
Ghetto Hero.
one. So we went to Benkum.
Sure.
How did you balance education, music? Because I know in one of your interviews you said sometimes you need to get out of school and go and do rap battle with other schools.
Sure.
So how do you balance the two, studies and music?
Well, but by that time I wasn't taking the music that serious,
Okay,
but because they be talented, they will not waste time.
Okay.
We be something and they love to do. I love the music, so then you know really be easy. Like how they say we they run from school, they go other schools, then since they go do the battle, so then it be like they follow the music pass, the education pass, and the school part. You see, so then it be tough, but I can't cry. So I please the school. I was like, no, make her take them serious. Make her take the school thing serious. Make her take the music thing serious. So I pause for the school. Right there, I know the school inside. I don't go to the school. I dey focus on the music for now. But the school I will go.
So you are able to finish SHS?
Yeah. I completed
it. So I'm going to.
Sure.
That's great. In the battle you did at MS-24, and then they claim you lost.
And to me, I'll be the hero for them. Hey,
how does that make you feel?
Oh,
because I know you are good.
So
how does that make you feel?
That battle, then I did high school.
Yeah.
Back then, the battle I go. Then I did lack plenty things. I did lack coaching.
Okay.
I did lack experience.
Okay.
But the guy, I go do the battle. The guy get experience.
Okay.
The game inside.
The OG.
Oh yeah, you see, when me too that time we didn't say we go then I did like 18 years.
Oh wow.
You are where then I go Form 3, SHS 3 fresh.
Yeah, okay.
But that stuff for no be excuse. But then they talk see for me by that time I did SS3 that time I was for day school. I ran from school, go MS-24, go do that. But so if I calculate all that thing where I go there, I go meet some prominent people like Virus Kid and things. Then I did 18 way, no management, no team, just be me then this my boy. They here. When we go do that, we win. For us we win. You see. So that was why I feel say it's one of my big wins. Even though them claim see the guy, but to me then maybe the winner for them. Regardless, the battles we do not be everything. Where it's be lesson to me, see, you know be everything, you will get down your way.
Yes. Sometimes some of them can be
bumpy roads, ups and downs.
So the people who says you sound like Black Sheriff, what would you like to tell them?
But that be the man. perspective, but yes. But I mean, I feel like it's the message. You see, I always say this. I feel like it's the message. You see, they confuse the message behind it. You are like they confuse the message to me sounding like almost feel say the message that they put out like it's some it is some kind way similar to Blackwood, the message Blackwood they put out. You know? So if the message them hear, then it will confuse them. See, oh, nah, the boy they move like because someone they feel come and DM inside the hand of you, the music they do, you know, they copy share so show the music they do.
Okay.
Like, so I they say them be confused. Them hear the message, then the things how they talk now and say when we
yeah.
But if you come Ghana here, right, the Blackwood if you spit something, so can't you bab it's on out like heavy things. So and no, because if you listen clearly, you find out that like on our voices be way different.
Yes,
so it be the message. That's how that be the answer I will carry for. But like I said, it's their point of view, how they see or how they listen. Obia then how they hear sound. But Obia listen or find you. So Obi betia can say, oh now the boy is very different. Obi so betia can say, why we your sound is so Obia anything.
Okay. So you being born in Awashi and moved to Tema.
Now I was born in Tema.
Tema, right?
Yeah.
So how did the environment at Tema influence you?
Oh,
to become the musicians you are becoming now? Then you are looking up to maybe Sarkodie, D Crime. Yes, you see those guys from Tema, TJ and friends.
Tema is the home of artists.
TM,
TM,
Opanka.
Okay. It be home of artists. We see the likes of we see and Sarkodie, like you mentioned, plenty artists. Them they D Crime them so. Like I said, Tema be home of artists.
Yes.
So me growing up in some place like this, we grew up to we were listening to Sarkodie, Kwesiata, the likes of D Crime and all that. It they influence because we they feel say we did this side where these people they feel do me too I will feel do you see. Yeah, so them energy, then the waves them carry come the industry inside. You make the people or me like this, they come from Tema. Like he influenced me hard. He influenced me. See you. If we see after the committee 9 way go fit do. If me I do committee 1 go fit do. You see.
So very nice one. So let's talk about management. Are you currently an management? Because the last I checked, you are under Yami management. Are you under any management?
Yeah, I did under management.
So what's
there under management?
Okay.
But on management below key.
Your management
Below key. Yeah.
Okay. Let me paint you this precedent. Yesterday on G Music, Yhaw, Artist of the Year, you know him, right? He and his friends, they came up with this group called BBMC. If you know them, they were very vibrant. 2010, 11, 12, yeah, they were very vibrant everywhere. BBMC. But Yhaw narration was because they were friends, boys, who were trying to help him. When issue came, there was no elder in the room to say, okay, Yhaw and friends, we could put this thing together. But he just get up and left. So I'm asking you based on this precedent.
Sure.
And even the Belaku people claim you are looking up to. Recently, you know what happened between his ex-management and them.
Sure.
So I just want you to tell me, okay, I am under management. It's paper structured. So that if something come up, so that you won't come calling my police. I want to talk about management.
I understand where your question is coming from. Yeah. So I'm under management, and like you said, like everything they paper talk.
Okay.
It's not just like friends who just
you
like
call
that.
my manager 1 year later, say you wanted
everything they the paper talk. So if in case some wahala, nobody they will see bad will come.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah, we all know which, but because of we are people who have different agendas.
But
the management team can have an idea for you where your music have to go. But you two, you have an idea.
You have a different idea. I get it. So I have my management, my team. We be friends. We aside from the friendship part, if you come work or you come the career talk concerning the business or the this one, you know the friendship side, you have everything they paper talk.
Okay.
So yeah, everything everybody they do inside the management, it's everything is on the paper. So yeah, it's written. So in case any wahala or something come, we know CEO. You go back, go refer CEO, this and this and this.
Okay, nice one, nice one. Go for sports of commercial, we'll go right back. Welcome back onto the TS show. My name is Sesime. I'm hanging out with Yhaw Hero, a fantastic young gentleman doing great in music here in Ghana. Remember, we are on YouTube, SJ Click TV. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going on. Yeah, so music is a serious business, and a lot of things happen in music. So, if you have the opportunity to go on stage, what inspired you to come on stage?
The question again.
Okay, so music. You see, some musicians have anxiety before they whether I can please my cloud.
Yeah, I get where you're coming from. So, but sometimes it happen. But yeah, sometimes you go the stage top, like how you were saying, whether I'll please the crowd or you but sometimes it happens. But me personally, if I dey go the stage top, aside from it's necessary for you to get up and that you want to please the crowd.
Yeah.
But me personally, if I dey go the stage top, I dey feel see I just dey go do me.
Okay.
At least if I go, if the crowd be 1,000, I will get 2 people who will there and talk. No, the boy be. So I just go on the stage real like, because some people they fear or something, then will take in things to see go feel, and then but I mean I dey feel see yo bro, like just go there, do what you do. But once your craft is great, it's solid, if you go there where the people no shout how you they want make them shout, at least some 1-2 guys will date the crowd and say no, the boy be hard. Go out, go search. You see, so that be my mentality if I dey go stage stuff at the table, regardless like what will happen, my thoughts maybe go shy or not. I just get this mentality, so they keep me going. I know the fear say I will go stage.
The fear say you will go stage. Okay, you are not afraid to go on stage, but you are on the stage. Who are going at you? Away. How will you react? Will you drop the mic and go?
Oh, once you don't finish what you come the stage talk, say you can't go. How will you go? Wow. Like you came, one of them who buy this music thing be ups and downs. So nobody send you. Okay. I did there, nobody send me say make I can't do this. So once you go the sweet part, you go enjoy. The sad part, you go enjoy. You see, that be how the game did.
So how do you find the support in the music industry?
Oh, it's overwhelming.
Because in one of your interviews, you made mention that you can share your link with somebody. The person will say, "Oh, Spitfire." Not knowing you have even shared the link at all.
That one not be only me, sir. Most artists, if you they come up, it be tough. But the mainstream artists have them know. They know that it's not easy for we the upcoming. So you can even send someone something. Once he sees the link, no, oh, fire, hard, solid. Bro, me can young link. You but once you see link, you say, upcoming artists, so we send all links to TNBC. So yeah, Charlie, come in, just for but you know, be easy, no be easy. To be billionaire, that's
so far, any collaboration with any of the youngsters, like your peers?
Oh, me personally, I've not done any collaboration with other artists.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's out. But then other artists have featured me on their songs. And
okay.
Yeah, it will yet to be out. So yeah, make you people watch out. See, but more things will come. But I don't feature anybody yet. Maybe along the line, we go hop on different vibes. You see.
So in general, Accra, Ghana, outside Accra, what? Who is your inspiration? outside Accra, Ghana, the world over.
The artist who inspires me.
Wherever in the world,
Mhm.
whether Accra here or out of Accra or the whole world, who inspire you most?
Okay, me, everybody where they do good music, they inspire me. Everybody who does good music inspires me. Because I dey learn from people. I be young and I dey come.
Okay.
Maybe before your craft will better, before learn.
Yeah.
Maybe I used to music. So if you dey do good sounds, I dey pick, I know what I dey learn from. I go fit there, I will tell you say I dey learn, like I will tell you say Stoneboy dey inspire me, Shatta dey inspire me, we Sarkodie dey inspire me, Blacko dey inspire me. But it means I feel you know they do dance or how Shatta go dey or Stoneboy go dey inspire me. But sometimes you know be about the music, but you go fit get inspiration from someone. So but if you check someone like Stoneboy, if Stoneboy say he dey want something, he be determined person. He's determined to get what he wants. So he will go as far to get like he will cross any border to get what he wants. But with Sarkodie too, if you check the industry, Sarkodie be someone he able like he was able to stay consistent till this time. So Sarkodie be someone so everybody then what are they pick from.
Okay, there's recently there are these guys who are parading themselves. We all want to make money though. Like look alike. What's your opinion on that? They are being themselves.
Look alike wahala the Charlie. I don't know. To me, I feel like me, you know the need you have. Yeah, if you be like someone they doing crafts. Like Mr. Drew, then I see Mr. Drew, Kwame,
Eugene, and
Kwame, yeah. It don't be necessary, you have like you the clone,
impersonation.
Yeah, like you the impersonate, yeah, someone. But to me, it don't be nice. That be the only comment I get. But almost in their own way, but they know them agenda, then they push or they know what they want.
So you made mention of. TikTok being one of the platforms that you were really pushing yourself. But recently, John Jazzy tweets about you. How does that make you feel, especially when you realize that an outsider seems to be appreciating your craft a bit more than insiders?
Yeah, because the time Don Jazzy come put the tweet, then I don't really get a reception for Ghana here like that.
Yes.
The support no really. Then I was still struggling with the support something. So I did there as easy Don Jazzy come put a few say no. So I did. Even if and yet there was zoning, I just do someone outside have they appreciate you.
Yes.
So if Don Jazzy have they appreciate, if I put in more work, if you know be Don Jazzy next time, it go be bad. Thank you. You see, so as Don Jazzy, it just demotivates me every time. See,
nice,
even if I don't get the reception for Ghana here, just do your thing. Yeah, just do your thing. I'm making your own fine.
Be aware, So this is our mystery segment, right? I have one question for you. It's a mystery question. So we went out, and then you came home. You are a man, you are a fully man. You went out, you came home, and you realized that your wife is beating your mother. Your wife is sleeping with someone else. Your wife is poisoning your food. Which of these wives will you forgive? Yeah, you went out
And my wife is poisoning my food.
Yes.
The other one.
The other one, your wife is cheating on you with another person. So three scenarios. The scenario one, you came back, you realized that your mother is being beaten by your wife. You came back, you saw your wife.
I no go forgive her.
That means you can't forgive. So who among these three are you going to forgive?
The one you go poison me there and they say when me who is forgive you. Well, this one, the other one you see is cheating, and that one I will feel forgive him because that one there, but the one you poison me. You dey kill me, you say we can forgive you.
Wait, that one.
You dey beat my mommy to make her forgive you.
Charlie, guys, I'm handing over to you. You give us some freestyle. Charlie,
No.
Yhaw Hero,
Oh, yeah.
take it away.
I'm too young to depress. I'm too young to be stressed. I'm too young to be thinking many things way in my head. I'm too young to depress. I'm too young to be stressed. I'm too young to be thinking many things way in my head. I'm too young for the heartbreaks. I dey see things I dey fear. They say I dey chase dreams where they big past me. No God I dey beg. I go mess up, yeah I know. But if I bounce back, you for fear. If you know me God, then go kill my spirit. Oh far I'll be gone. I dey do this for Agatha. I dey sing this to my papa. So they come and say my dem go laugh at me, so I talk to only Jaja. They say no, then I say yes. They say yes, then I say no. They say don't go, so you're quiet, but they don't play with them hungry boys. So tell them man they come. Tell them man they come. Tell them man they come. Where man no be stop man. Tell them man they come. Tell them man they come. Tell them man they come. Where man no be stop man. Tell them oh, tell them man they come. Tell them man they come. Go and tell them man they come. Oh, tell them man they come. 19 years old, Obi a singing your boat. I be first born in the household, so Obi a they watch my show. And you know man no be slow, I dey pray bruise for the dough. I'm a hungry boy with high spirit, so don't you F my bones. And I dey sing this to the future me. Hear me, know your troubles. My dollar son then go bang for street, so then I never be free. No, oh no, 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 no. On the beat I free my soul. Those to all my bros no more. Hope we meet tomorrow. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, man don't give up, no. And no, 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 no. Man, let's stand on your toes. No, 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 no. Oh, man don't give up, no.
Nice one. You're from the hero himself, Charlie. A hero in the making. One of the best you are going to get in Africa. Trust me. So, Charlie, where can we find you? Social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Yhaw Hero, YHAWHERO _ everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, all streaming platforms everywhere. The same name, YHAWHERO _ bless.
What message do you have for the young kid, your fellow peers who start following you from Benkum Senior High School today? What message do you have for them?
Sure. I dey top. I'm not rich. I go do am. I go fit do am. If I go fit do am, you too you go fit do am. So yeah, everybody out there watching Yhaw Hero, everybody out there supporting Yhaw Hero too, Charlie. Love to you. Without you people, I no go fit do am. You see. So bless everybody out there streaming my music, showing love and support. I deal with you forever, Charlie. Love to everybody.
Nice guys. So you heard it from the hero himself.
Love to you, Charlie.
Great guy, doing so great in the music. His name is Arnold Ni Aite, aka Yhaw Hero. Go check him out on all the social media platforms and come and thank us later. Introduce you one of the very best we can get from Ghana. My name is Sesimen. Here is the SJ Click TV. Remember to subscribe to it. Keep the faith. We'll see you in the capital.